Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and today we have a very interesting product from Motorola which is being launched in India. And this is the all-new Moto E7 smartphone, a super budget smartphone with some very interesting features. And generally I prefer or I recommend Motorola phones because of the stock Android and the ad-free experience. So in today's video I'll be doing a complete unboxing and also will be showing you the complete features of this smartphone. And also I have got 3 additional phones for you guys so that all our subscribers could get a chance, at least 3 of you could get a chance to check out these new beautiful smartphones, and others who probably don't win can actually buy these smartphones because they generally sell like hotcakes. And I recall the last phone, the Fusion Plus, was also super hot selling in the market. So anyway, without wasting a lot of time, let me just quickly show you the box and let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, as you can see here, this is the Moto E7 Plus as it's mentioned here. If I talk at the bottom part, here is the clear mention that this is the misty blue color and this is made in India and designed by Motorola. The pricing mentioned here is 12,999 rupees, which is very interesting. But then what I have been hinted is that this should be priced below 10,000 rupees. So that's something very important to make a note. And Motorola's probably this year's entry below 10,000 with a bang, wherein you get some very interesting features. So this is the 48 megapixel camera system with night vision. Night vision is something really cool, at least what demo I was shown here. A 5000 mAh of battery, and it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chipset, which is a octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. On the side we have the Motorola branding with some, not some, I would say a lot of information. So let's open up this box and take a look at what we get within this package itself. And guys, whoever wants to join the giveaway, you can check out the description area where you have the complete details. And in fact, I would recommend you to check out our Telegram group where you get to know all the details about the special giveaways and all the contests which we keep running. So here is the all new phone, that's the Motorola E7 Plus, which comes with the features which I had already mentioned to you. Here is the on off switch. On the back here is the camera system. Again, do make a note that this comes with a dual rear camera, as you can see here, and it comes with a LED flash, the Motorola branding on the back, and a very different design. Again, that's a not a glossy finish, a matte finish. Sides we have this on off switch and the volume rockers with the dedicated button, I guess, for Google Assistance. On the left we have the SIM card slots. On the top you have the 3.5 headphone jack, and on the bottom we have the micro USB port, and this is in Type-C port. One feature which I really wished Motorola would have probably offered us with Type-C here, microphone and the speaker grills. Let me just remove this and set up the phone. While let me also quickly show you the package contents here. First thing first, we have this reading manual from Motorola which gives us complete details about this product itself. So this is what you get. Next up here is the power brick from Motorola, which comes with around 10 watt of power output, and this phone supports also 10 watt of power output. So this is what you get: a micro USB cable within the box and a SIM ejector pin. So these are the package contents which we get within the box itself. So let me just quickly complete the setup and then get back to you when I'm into the home screen. And here we are onto the home screen. This is the default home screen which you get here, and on the side we have the latest information. On the bottom we have the app drawer where once you swipe up, and this is what you get. The best part, as you can see here, no bloatware, no Chinese application, no pre-installed application. So that's the beauty of Motorola smartphones, and these are different home screens which you get. Let me quickly go to the settings here and take a quick look on the about area. And even though this is a budget centric phone, as you can see, it's not hanging or showing any issues. This is the Android 10 out of the box, and it's running on the May security patch. No, it's actually the September security patch, which is also important. This video is being shot on September 16th. So you get the latest security patch, which is a good thing. Now let me quickly go to the camera area, and this is the camera application. As you can see here, we have these different modes. The first one, this is where you get multiple modes like the portrait. You also have cutout, spot color, night vision. Now night vision is something which is really impressive, wherein you can capture some very good photos in complete low light. You also have time lapse and slow motion. And if you talk about slow motion, this is what you get. Let me just quickly go to the settings and take a look if I have additional options here. We have smart composition, gesture, selfie, and all these things. Apart from that, if I talk about selfies or the front camera, it supports full HD video recording. On the rear camera also it supports full HD video recording, but also in 60 fps, which is a good thing for budget phones. And apart from that, this is the standard camera mode, wherein you also have the option to zoom in. So that's one good thing. It zooms in up to 8x. So that's something you should remember. Under videos, of course, I have shown you the options. So this is what you get. On the front, we have a single front facing camera, and these are the different options which we get here. So that's a quick overview of the camera area, and this is what you get. Technically a very smooth experience from Google, or you can say basically Motorola. This is the button wherein it works with Google Assistant, as I mentioned earlier. So you need to set it up by connect your Wi-Fi and link to your Google account, and then this dedicated button would help you in directly accessing the Google Assistant. These are the volume rockers, of course, and the on-off switch. So that is something which you get here. And we also have the option to register your fingerprint. So let me just go with fingerprint and PIN and show you a demo on how good is the fingerprint scanner on this device. So let's start to set it up, and that's the fingerprint scanner on the back. So this is what you get here. Let me just quickly set up the fingerprint scanner and then do a quick demo. Done. We are done. The phone is locked, and now that was kind of quick, not that super quick, but yes, not bad. It does take, I guess, a second to unlock the phone, but yes, not bad. So that's how good is the fingerprint scanner. Now here are a few camera samples which we have just captured with this brand new phone. That's the Moto E7 Plus, and you can also share your thoughts about what you think about the camera samples. So guys, in overall, I would say that this is a very impressive phone from Motorola. One, because it comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Two, because it comes with a 48 megapixel primary camera, which is really impressive. And three, it comes with a price point of less than 10,000 rupees, which is what has been quoted to us. And at that price point, I think this is definitely a good phone to consider. Again, this comes with a HD display. It's not a full HD display. That's something you need to make a note of. But then 5000 mAh battery under this profile does look very promising, and a very beautifully designed smartphone from Motorola. That's the E7 Plus. Again, I do have 3 devices for giveaway, as I mentioned earlier, and 3 of you would be winning these smartphones. The giveaway ends within 2 weeks of this video going live. So whenever this video goes live, 2 weeks the video goes live. And also we have a target of 5,000 likes on this video. In order to win this phone, you will have to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also comment any of your favorite features. What did you like about Motorola E7 Plus? What are your genuine thoughts? I mean, as a feedback, if you felt something is not good, you can also share that. Whatever is your honest thought, just share them in the comment section, and I look forward to all those feedback. And 3 of you would be winning this all new Motorola E7 Plus smartphone. That's it guys, I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.